Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese fish cake, or we call it Srempet. Here I have white snapper, or you can use any other white fish. And here I have some spice that I'm going to mix with the white snapper. I have Bumbu Genap, which is the authentic Balinese cooking sauce. I have coconut cream, palm sugar, coconut oil, salt, and some kaffir lime leaf. So to begin, I'm going to remove the skin of the snapper and put it into the blender. Now we're going to put the fish into the food processor and mix with some coconut cream. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of coconut cream and blend it until fine. Here you can see that coconut cream is really help to make the fish moist, and of course that will be taste better. And now I'm going to chop the kaffir lime leaf. I'm going to use about 3 kaffir lime leaf. And the first thing I'm doing, I turn it to 2. Just take inside bit because they're quite tough. If you're asking why I don't use the knife, because for me it's easier just use my hand to turn it. And I'm going to slice it to very fine slice. I'm going to add some kaffir lime leaf to the fish. The one is I already sliced it. And we're going to add Bumbu Genap, authentic Balinese cooking sauce. We put 4 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, and just a pinch of salt. I'm going to mix everything together using my hand and until everything's well mixed. And we're going to make a small patty. You just need to take some of the mixture and roll it and push it. Put aside. It doesn't matter if it's smaller or bigger than the others. This recipe is come from my father, and I grew up eating this food all the time when I was a child. And it's making this is just remind me about my childhood in a little village near the beach. And just one more to go in. Now we're going to fry the patty. We're going to put some coconut oil. I think it's around 2 tablespoons. Just make sure all the pan covered with oil. And heat the oil until it's hot. I put some tissue so the fish cake is not look too oily. We're going to put the fish cake into the pan, and just remember which one you put first, and you turn around first. Each side only take 2 minutes to cook. Okay, this is ready to turn, and it's ready. Let's put aside. Smells so good, and you can see here the color is so beautiful. And I'm going to put this to the wooden board. And usually in Bali they eat this as their own, or they mix with some rice and some water spinach vegetable. And the Balinese love chili. Garnish as a dipping sauce. Here we are, Balinese fish cake with Bumbu Genap sauce. Thank you very much for watching it. Let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksema. Shall we test it? A little bit of Balinese cooking sauce or Bumbu Genap. It's spicy, aromatic, and very delicious.